Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. Let me zoom you out here a little bit. Okay, so we all remember the raindrop coasters. Yes, everyone remember that? Pretty sure most of us do. Anyway, I wanted to try something similar to that, but I wanted to try a spider web. I want to try and make a spider web coaster. So we'll see how this goes. I've got my Let's Resin. This is the black holographic glitter, and I've got my UV resin here. And so I'm going to take some of my white alcohol ink. I'm hoping that because this is alcohol ink and not like the thicker good stuff that we use. What's the name of that stuff? Oh my god. I'm blanking. The casting craft. Since it's not this stuff, I'm hoping that the UV light will be able to shine through this pretty well. So I'm planning to tint some of my UV resin with white. And you know, originally I was thinking that I would put it in these little squeeze applicators, but this holds 2 fluid ounces, and I'm not mixing up 2 fluid ounces of white, so I think I'll forego these bottles. I do have them, just in case I ever need them. Yeah, so I guess it's kind of an experiment time. I've also got another experiment coming up soon that I'm really excited to try. But for now, let's go ahead and mix up some hopefully not completely opaque white UV resin, and we'll make our little spider webs. Words are hard. Yeah. Now I'm also kind of wondering, nope, it wouldn't, I don't think it would look the same. Yeah, no, never mind. Okay. All right, let's do it. right. Well, yeah, I think my brain was fried last night because I totally forgot how to do the raindrop thing. But then I remembered and I was like, well, how I want to do this, doing it that way is not going to work. So, we're going to see if these look cool. Am I expecting them to look cool? Yeah, kind of. Okay, actually, yeah, that is kind of cool. Wow, okay. Ooh, this one is different. So this one had all of the glitter like float, but this one had all the glitter sink. That's so funny. All right. Okay, you know what? I like it. It's kind of like an inlay. So if you had other colors of UV resin, you know, you could totally make some other designs. Sorry, it's 7:30 in the morning. You could totally do some other designs and then add your resin to it. Oh, I remembered why this one is different, because I dusted this one. I was like, well, what if I dust one and leave one without dusting? And that's the difference that you get. This spider web looks terrible. I mean, to be honest, they both do. But yeah, what a cool little experiment. I'm actually really excited that I decided to try this, because now I've got some ideas of other stuff that I want to do. So anyway, that's today's video. Yeah, a little different, a little funky, but if you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.